The Indian Constitution is the supreme law of India, laying down the framework that defines the political structure, the rights of citizens, and the duties of the government. It was adopted on the 26th of November 1949 and came into effect on the 26th of January 1950. Here's a brief explanation of its key features. 1. Preamble. The preamble sets out the guiding principles of the Constitution. It declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and guarantees justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity to all its citizens. 2. Structure. The Indian Constitution has 448 articles, currently divided into 25 parts, and 12 schedules. It outlines the system of governance and defines the powers and responsibilities of different organs of the government. 1. Part 1. Union and Territory. 2. Part 2. Citizenship. 3. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. 4. Part 4. Directive Principles of State Policy. 5. Part 5. The Union Government, Executive, Legislature, Judiciary. 6. Part 6. The State Governments. 7. Part 7. States in the Northeast. 8. Part 8. Union Territories. 9. Part 9. Panchayats. 10. Part 9a. Municipalities. 11. Part 10 to 15. Elections, Special Provisions, Finance, etc. 3. Federal system with unitary bias. India has a federal structure where power is shared between the central government and state governments, but the Constitution also provides for a strong central government, making it a unitary system in times of need. 4. Fundamental Rights. Part 3. These rights are essential for individuals to lead a life of dignity. They include 1. Right to equality. 2. Right to freedom. 3. Right against exploitation. 4. Right to freedom of religion. 5. Cultural and educational rights. 6. Right to constitutional remedies. 5. Directive Principles of State Policy. Part 4. These are non-justiciable principles aimed at guiding the government in creating laws and policies to promote social and economic welfare, such as 1. Providing adequate livelihood to all citizens. 2. Ensuring equal pay for equal work. 3. Promoting welfare of children and youth. 6. Separation of powers. The Constitution divides the government into three main branches. 1. Executive, headed by the President and includes the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. 2. Legislature, the Parliament, consisting of two houses, the Lok Sabha, House of the People, and Rajya Sabha, Council of States. 3. Judiciary, independent courts headed by the Supreme Court of India. 7. Amendment process. The Constitution is a living document, meaning it can be amended. Amendments can be made by Parliament, but some provisions require special procedures and approval by states. 8. Secularism. The Indian Constitution ensures that the state does not favour any religion, allowing individuals to practice, profess, and propagate their religion freely. 9. Independent judiciary. The judiciary in India is independent and has the power of judicial review, meaning it can declare laws passed by the legislature as unconstitutional if they violate the Constitution. 10. Republic. India is a republic, meaning the head of the state, the president, is elected and not a hereditary monarch. In conclusion, the Indian Constitution is a comprehensive and flexible document that governs the country's legal and political system. It aims to promote justice, equality, and liberty while also balancing the powers between the central and state governments.